Hello everyone, this is Vignesh Kumar. After a long time, a gap of 1 month, today I just going to speak some few words about current situation of pandemic COVID-19. The second wave is very deadly, contagious and more virulent, rapidly spreading to so many people. So we should be very careful in this pandemic situation. So complete lockdown is the only thing that every virologist, epidemiologist and a lot of specialists are saying. So the situation is very deadlier. So the only way is standard precautions, as we already been speaking about this since from 2019. So now I just wanted to say some few words about how to prevent this second wave, how to escape from this viral infection. As a physiotherapist, I noticed an important article very recently. Exercises boost immunity and makes vaccines more effective. So this was article done as a systematic review in recently in the Glasgow University in UK by Sebastian Chastain. He is a professor of behavior dynamics. So it was published in print, a journal paper very recently. So it's a compelling evidence. 60 studies has been done. So what this emphasizes is 30 minutes of physical activity, either brisk walking or a jogging or cycling, whatever the thing may be, 5 days a week, compulsorily reduces the risk of falling ill and dying from these type of COVID-19 infections. So because the COVID pandemic, the viral pneumonia and which causing acute cardiac arrest or cytokine storm, which is very common to produces that death, which is more prevalent nowadays, the age group of 25 to 45. So the very important thing is, I just wanted to suggest you peoples that we have to do physical activity before going to work daily, because the pandemic situation is very deadlier, as well as the vaccination is the only way to get rid of from this high mortality rate, either a Covaxin or a Covishield. Prior to go for that, 30 minutes of physical activity reduces the risk of 37% of death, as well as this vaccination as well as physical activity enhances the immunity, immunoglobulin A, IgA antibodies. So 50% of the peoples with regular physical activity and vaccination having more antibody count, even their CD4 T cells, lymphocytes, which has been increased. This has been proved recently in United States in lot of research articles and randomized control trials. So I wanted to suggest this to all the community to take care, keep vaccinated as much as possible, because now the vaccination shortage is there. So which one is available, we have to keep vaccinated, and double masking and social distancing, hand washing, very very careful. Unless or otherwise very emergency situations, we have to go out and avoid the huge crowd. So regular physical activity like brisk walking, cycling or yoga, whatever the thing may be, but we have to do it in the morning, half an hour. So as a physiotherapist, I just wanted to emphasize this to prevent the COVID-19, as well as prior to go for vaccination, if the vaccine is available in your place, do physical activity on that day for half an hour and go and prick the vaccination. Nothing will happen. Don't get panic or WhatsApp messages. Thank you. Very very important thing is keep safe, very very safe situations. So I just wanted to emphasize this article. Exercises boost the immunity and makes vaccines more effective. I think this is a right time to which publish this video. Very very important thing. Thank you one and all. Save many lives. Thank you.